Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's me, your faithful pomade narrator, and I'm back again with another nostalgic grooming review, and that is the Petro-based medium. Now, there hasn't been much changes done to this, if any, but I still wanted to talk about it because it's one of my all-time favorites. Formerly slicker things, now it's just Petro-based, and let's get right into it. Nothing's really changed. Like scent-wise, it's still black pepper bergamot, but you know, the look has changed. It's in that nice, sharp, simple jar. It's got a little picture of a Walkman there, so you can kind of, like I said before, you can tell the difference between Dave's stuff just based on the pictures and the little 3-pane colors they got there. This side has the website as well as how to use it. You can scoop it out with the back of your thumb if you need to. This side has the ingredients. For this is petroleum, beeswax, microcrystalline wax, coconut oil, mango butter, fragrance, essential oils, and vitamin E. Not a lot of stuff and not a lot of bad stuff in there. And once again, I say this about all of Dave's stuff, but I feel like the mango butter really adds a little extra conditioning, especially to these Petro products, which is what you want when you're putting Petro in your hair. When you open it up, the scent is, like I said, the black pepper bergamot. It's one of my favorites. I don't know if you've ever smelled like the black pepper bergamot, but it's just like a nice, spicy cologne scent that I wouldn't say the intensity is aggressive, but the scent's a little bit aggressive, but I like it. It's not strong, but it's like, it's prominent. Probably my favorite scent. As a matter of fact, when he did Any Scent, Any Hold, I got a couple different of his products in the black pepper. If you look at it, this product, Dave sometimes uses different Petro, he told me. Sometimes it's clear, sometimes it's yellow. This one, I got the yellow one in there. Scoopability on it, I'll show you. Really easy, really nice, really slick. That's the one thing, there's a little bit of it, that I really like about this stuff. Super slick as snot, super easy to break down. So, and application is really smooth as well. So if you were looking to, if you're maybe like into Dave's, you know, you like his unorthodox quite a bit, his medium, and you're looking for something with a little bit more shine, a little bit slickability, and something that had some extra buildup in it, this would be right up your alley. And even if you were kind of, maybe, you know, you didn't want to wait for Any Scent, Any Hold type thing, and you didn't like the fruit scoop scent in his medium unorthodox, you could go with this. The application and breakdown is quite a bit smoother than his medium unorthodox, but his medium unorthodox isn't bad at all. Slicking it back, super easy, super nice. I don't really have much to say. I mean, seriously, it's not heavy in the hair. It's prominent, but it's not heavy, and it's freaking slick as snot. This is one of those things, like I said, when I describe this, because people are like, oh, well, they have the medium unorthodox. This is definitely geared towards people who want to have, you know, that want to traditionally grease, so to speak, as well as people that want product that has like a little bit of buildup, because Dave's products are all so clean, like his, especially his unorthodox stuff, that there really isn't that much stuff, there isn't really that much product left over. Dang, my hair is getting freaking long. And so, you know, if you wanted something to kind of traditionally grease, or like I said, have a little bit that you can add on to each day, this is what I would recommend this product for. Or if you wanted more shine, obviously. The styling with the Afro pick, really easy. The thing I like about his Petros is that they feel light and airy, but they have really good stickiness and really good hold. So you can get like pretty decent height, which I'm getting like right now, and pretty decent shape without sacrificing, without feeling like, I don't know, you can like, without feeling so stringent with how it feels in your hair and how much hold it has. Because I mean, you know, some stuff, some Petro base, you put it in your hair and you're like, okay, that's how my hair is going to be for the rest of the day, and it's incredibly difficult. But this stuff maintains a nice hold and stays really, really, really nice in the hair. Really like shiny without being overly greasy. And that's one thing that I think this stuff has over a lot of the other Petro base, is that it's really, really nice and really, really like traditional feeling, but in the hair, it doesn't feel greasy at all, which is an A+ in my opinion. All right, that's gonna do it. Got a kind of work safe Pomp. Endurance on this is, it's like a true medium in that, you know, if you're doing a lot of heavy lifting, doing a lot of work throughout the day, physical job, you're gonna have to restyle. Endurance is like medium. Like I said, it's true to it. So you will have to restyle if you're doing a lot of moving and shaking. But if you're just doing a desk job, this is going to hold up. Washes out. You can do it with probably 1 wash with conditioner, but it might take 1.5. So what are my overall thoughts on the Nostalgic Handmade, Nostalgic Grooming Petro-based now, Once Slicker Things? It's still amazing. It's still great. It's one of my all-time favorite products by them. It holds up. It's a great mix of old and new. So if you're an old school greaser and you're just like, what is all this unorthodox water base about? I don't want to deal with this. Or if you're new to pomade and you want to grease traditionally, this is a good mix between the two. You're going to get a lot of slickness, a good amount of shine, and a good amount of flexibility with the way you can style and restyle your hair, but you're not going to get super greasy, super bad feeling in your hair and like really oily feeling. It's going to feel real nice, real light, but airy, you know, as well as having a good hold. So what am I going to give this? I'm still sticking to what I gave it before. At least I believe I gave it a 5 out of 5, but if I didn't, it deserves a 5 out of 5. This is another perfect product, in my opinion, showing that you can still pay homage to the old while having it be new. And so, Dave, I just say good job with this one. This is a good mix of old and new. I love it. Let me know if you guys have tried it, and let me know what you think about it. Have a good one, guys.